Okay, so here's the thing. I was going to town today. I had plans to go and see my friends. I live it in Kalmar. I wanted to go to Leduc. For people who don't know this, this is in Alberta, Canada. I know, silly us. And I do not live in an igloo. Okay, so I was supposed to go and see my friends today. My car won't start. Don't know why. I bought it like a month ago. It's 92. It's kind of old. Maybe that's why. I don't know. But I'm really mad at it, and it sucks. And so since I had nothing better to do with my life today, I decided I would make some videos because I can. And my computer webcam is really crappy, and so I'm sorry for the quality. I don't have a camera. Well, I do. And as for the ukulele that you will see in it, I made another video, but I'm singing and playing the ukulele and being all cool and stuff like that. So that's why there's a ukulele in this one. So anyways, yeah, this is all because my car won't start. So let us all blame my car. I think that everybody should just learn how to fly. Like, why can't we all just fly, just grow wings, be a bird. If I could have like a superpower, it would either be to teleport or to fly. Is teleporting even like a superpower? I don't even care because I hate driving. It scares the crap out of me. I am a horrible driver. The day after I got my license, I got a speeding ticket. Oh, I'm a great driver. You all should drive with me. It'd be fun. Yeah, I was driving home one night. I didn't even know how to turn the high beams on. Anyways, I was driving home and I reached, a red light and I had to turn left. And I'm really bad at turning left at lights because it just kind of scares me. Well, in driver's training, actually, I was turning left and then my instructor like slammed on the brakes because he had a little brake pedal and he was like, "You can't go!" Then I almost got hit by a car because I was supposed to be going and, it just, it, it makes sense, really, if you think about it. So now, after that, I was really like, I'm really freaked out at like turning left at green lights unless there's like that little flashy arrow thing because that's easy to do then. Anyways, so I was turning left, and I also have the tendency to cut corners really, turn too soon. I'm really good at that. Anyways, so I was turning left. The light was green. No one was coming. It was all good. It was dark out. It was storming. I was trying to figure out the windshield wipers too at that time. Anyways, I almost ran over the median, and I was in my little car, which hates me because it won't start today, which God. Anyways, so I almost ran over the median, and that would have really screwed up my car a lot. Maybe that's why it hates me. But I think because of that, we should all just learn how to fly. Another time, I was driving, and there's this part. I live in Leduc, okay, and there's this like thing going into the Duke Common where like people are trying to merge in, but I was trying to go over because I had to be in that lane, and the person was trying to get in that lane too. So I wasn't really watching the merging lane because I can't multitask worth a damn. So I was about to go over at the exact same time the car was merging. So we would have like collided like that if my friend was in the passenger seat, and thank God he started yelling at me because I wouldn't have seen that. That poor car. However, he did let me get in front of him. He didn't, like speed up and not let me in. So that was nice of him. After, it was a really nice like Mercedes. I drive like a 92 Buick, and his was like a brand new like shiny like silver Mercedes. I think it's a sign that we all need to learn how to teleport. It really is. Pretty sure that if someone in my family was to go home from work right about now, they'd be like walking past the house and hear me talking to myself, and they'd be like, "It's that darn Natasha. She finally lost her marbles. She finally lost them." But that's okay, because you know what? Oh, I have a text. I have a text.